how to make account personal on Instagram. Now, making your account personal on Instagram is also a fairly simple task. All you have to do is simply launch the Instagram app, and this is the interface that you will see. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Then from there, you can see all this type of interface, right? So tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Now from here, you want to simply scroll and look for one of those options that says tools and controls. So in this case, it is account type and tools. Now if you have creator or business account, it will show creator tools and controls or business tools and controls. So you want to go to that option there. And now in my case, I'm already on a personal account, but if you're on professional account, you'll find the option that says switch to personal. In my case, I'm saying personal because I'm currently on personal, but if you are in professional, you'll find the option called switch to personal account, for which you can confirm the changes and your account will be successfully switched to personal account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.